You know Tommy Lee? You ever work with Tommy Lee?
What's up, everybody? Going on a little excursion today to pick up some VERTEC subs, 12 of them. And you may be asking yourself, why are you guys getting old subs when you have updated VTX JBL stuff? There's a method to the madness. You'll find out in later videos. Jackson's favorite son is probably taking a ride with me. Let's see what's going on.
Are you yeah, of course you are. You need to hear the sound of change. Drop it into your old friend, the vending machine over there. Getting me a Coke.
Wait, what happened, Grooney? Oh, God.
I was just going through the bin to test him. And I don't know why this is like missing.
So someone threw it in like that.
Well, it must have come back like that because these don't like come off that easy, the shells.
Oh, there he is. Hurry up, film him.
Oh, it did?
You gotta get him coming up, dude. This is your filler. Get your B-roll.
Oh, there he is. God. What took him? He's ready for the beach. The captain, the mariner. Look at him. The mariner, man.
What's up?
Look like he's coming out of GQ right here. Look at him. You got the goods? You got the shit, dude? Uh-oh.
And
Gorgeous. Look at E. Gonna eat him. Be prepared for this trip, bro. This ain't no Jake.
I'm ready.
I'm telling you. Wait till you see him.
I'm ready.
We got the mariner, man. We on the road. Right now it's free sailing, but in 20 minutes from now, teeth. Why is their teeth this far off? You kidding me?
Uh-oh, it's already beginning.
You don't want me to blow my teeth, dude.
It's already beginning.
It's not even, we're not even, oh my God. Killing him. Well, give it a chance, it might move, but you don't want to see me in beast mode. Dude, that's going to be epic when it opens, dude. Nickelodeon theme park. I love it.
Oh, there's the slide.
Oh, look at it, he goes outside of me.
Oh shit, water park, yeah.
Making good time, baby. Woohoo! It's getting heavy right here, bro.
We got him. He's merging.
We got him. It's funny, some people dream of coming to NYC to us. It's like, whatever. You're way too much, dude.
Concrete jungle.
I say.
For any.
We're any.
That's gonna be us on the way back.
Don't remind me. I know, dude.
That will be us on the way back.
That's gonna be a steering wheel beat down.
Oh shit.
Ah, time went up, of course.
To what?
Like, we were on pace to get there at 1, it just went up to 118. Of course.
Damn, 20 minutes of traffic. 20 minutes of teeth. Teeth.
All I do is drive, try to stay alive and keep my mind on my load, keep my eye upon the road. I got nothing in common with any man who's home every day at 5. All I do is drive.
Oh my God, no.
Don't tell me we're getting stuck in teeth.
There we are. Can't see behind his big ass, but.
Are you serious? This can't be H for me. Yeah, it's called a courtesy bottle.
Nothing they can do. They can't do anything about it. It's like going to Baltimore. Takes the same amount of time to go to Baltimore. That's chaos, dude.
Municipal waste.
You hear that? Boom, boom.
We've reached our destination.
VERTEC in the house, boy. I love you.
That's right.
See, we got the Verts back, dude, after all these years.
The same ones?
That could be. That truck's gonna be filled in a minute, boys. Old school. All the new school guys like, why are you getting Verts, dude? Love you. I need my
Does that
thumb.
look good to you?
I need my thumbnail with Teddy in the thing.
Does that look good to you?
What's wrong with it?
One's got to go to this wall.
You kidding me?
Oh, it's got to be balanced.
The mariner, the foreman, you can't mess with him.
Telling you. We just got the bad news. What's the news?
2 hours and 50 minutes, dude. That's like watching Braveheart. You kidding me? Hopping on right now and watching. By the time we get it's over, you get to the shot.
We're in for
when
some
they cut a
teeth.
stick off in the end.
We're in for some teeth.
Unless this is inaccurate, I hope he.
Starting. This is the beginning.
This is the beginning. Prepare. Get synced
Oh
up.
no. Oh shit. This is really E. This is our life for the next hour or two. Hour 20 minutes to Vince Lombardi so we can fuel up and pissing. R.I.P.
Bambi, dude.
R.I.P.
All the way across, and that continues onto the eastbound Grand Central over to LaGuardia. Queensbound Whitestone still a mess. Complicating VERTEC is just a mess in its own right. The inbound George 15 up, 10 down, no good way out. The west side, the least bad. 20 Turnpike.
He said no good way.
By technologies, including automatic emergency droid auto.
We're gonna make it, dude. We're going to make it. Let's do it.
Back in it.
I screwed up.
So why are you taking the local route?
I screwed up. I took you.
We're supposed to be in that lane, but instead we're in this lane.
Yeah, it was a dumb move. I don't know what I was thinking.
Cut through! Cut through!
We made it to the Oasis, dude. Vince Lombardi. Oh, he's regenerating. No!
Shit, you gotta stay in it.
I gotta piss him. Something sounded loose back here. Let's see. Oh, no!
Shitty strap job.
Oh, was it me? Oh,
Yeah.
I told you I felt it. Oh, man. Oh, no. What did I do wrong?
You suck, dude.
We're here at the mighty Vince Lombardi. Look at it. Trucks on trucks, bro.
The strap is broken.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Gotta hope this blue one will hold it.
TD fixed it. Look at that contraption.
This is just like so secure now.
Oh, yeah, it ain't moving it. Made it to the Oasis. The Vince Lombardi Truck Lounge, bro. Look at him. Chillin' E. Boats. We're fueled up from Lombardi, heading back to the Sheep.
Lombardi's always good to us.
We'll make him. God. To be kidding me, it just never ends, dude. Every angle traffic hits you, dude. When you live in this area of the country,
Exit 13.
when you live in this area of the country,
Just came to a slowdown. Wow, brake lights, brake lights.
We found what?
Is the truck regenning?
No, he's not.
Then turn it off.
Teddy's out of it. He's done, dude. He's done today. We made him.
That was too long of a trek.
I know, faulty. Green Street right there, bro. What?
How many times do I have to tell you?
A headbanger.
Oh, it's green! Stop.
Headbanger's ball,
You got lucky
but
that we made that light.